The Butterfly from Coquito combines facility of use with a rapid and efficient vacuuming capability. This lightweight, state-of-the-art hydraulic cleaner is suitable for cleaning all shapes of in-ground and above-ground pools, excluding soft-wall pools. The simple design with one moving part also ensures easy maintenance. This membrane-type automatic cleaner has innovative components that make it one of the best performing products in its category. Its 36 feet of high-performance fiberglass reinforced spiral-wound vacuum hose ensure a high degree of durability and flexibility, allowing the cleaner to glide smoothly without hindrance. With its light weight of just 1.3 kilos, the Butterfly navigates easily. Its fin disc enables it to climb over steps, main drains, lights, and other obstacles. The advanced diaphragm design of the Butterfly ensures quiet and efficient cleaning with simple maintenance. When the cleaning work is done, the Butterfly is easy to lift out of the pool by its integrated handle. The twist and lock assembly also provides quick and easy access to the diaphragm. Go ahead and choose the Butterfly, a solution you can trust that is quick, efficient, and simple.